Ang tanong, bakit ba tayo nagkakasingaw? At ano ba ang mga causes nito? Tara, alamin natin sabay-sabay.
Madaming pwedeng maging cause ang singaw or mouth sore. It may be viral or fungal infection. Pwede din maging sanhi ang mouth wound caused by toothbrushing and accidental biting of lip. Dental braces pwede din maging cause. Lack of vitamins, especially vitamin B12, folate, and iron. Food allergy, sleep deprivation, viral infection, digestion problem, deficiency of vitamin D, biting of tongue and inner cheek, hormonal changes, emotional imbalance, causing stress and anxiety, burns from hot food or drinks, or poorly fitting dentures. Madaming factors kung bakit tayo nagkakasingaw. Para maiwasan natin ito, huwag natin kalimutan ang pagkain ng masustansya, sapat na pahinga, at pagbisita sa dentista. Please follow our social media accounts. Here is our website. Follow our Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook for more updates and for more oral health education tips.
Now you know. Visit us at Real Herrera Dental Clinic. #Bring Home a Smile.